Assalamualaikum and greetings. Today's presentation is titled CSR and SEM Type 2 Community and Parent Collaboration to Reduce Program Costs. This presentation is prepared by Mashitah binti Ahmad. Let us begin. Introduction. Assalamualaikum and greetings of inspiration. I am Puan Mashitah binti Ahmad, an English educator at MRSM Tun Abdullah Ahmad Badawi, and the one entrusted to lead our CSR initiatives, SEM Type 2 programs, and to serve as the Secretary of Muafakat. For me, every program is more than an activity. It is a mission to shape young minds who strive for excellence, who carry integrity in their hearts, and who stand as future leaders grounded in compassion and community. I believe that every step we take today, every effort, every opportunity, every experience plants the seeds of a generation that will rise with confidence, maturity, and the courage to make a meaningful impact on the world. Challenges. Every great journey begins with a single challenge. For us at MRSM Tun Abdullah Ahmad Badawi, it was simple. How do we create meaningful CSR and SEM Type 2 programs with only what we have? And that's where the magic begins. Because when resources are limited, unity becomes our greatest strength. Parents, teachers, students moving as one. Every smile, every effort, every hand that helps is the true power behind this program. From small actions, big impact grows. CSR and SEM Type 2 aren't just events. They are proof that when hearts unite, the impossible becomes possible. Solutions. To bring our CSR and SEM Type 2 program to life, there is one true secret: togetherness. Parents stand as our backbone. The Muafakat Committee drives the coordination. The community, including the Mosque Committee, contributes energy, space, and ideas. Parents come forward to cook, prepare materials, and give what they can. When everything is done with our own hands, costs drop, but the value of unity rises. Financial support from parents, Muafakat, and the Mosque Committee strengthens the program even more. Students become the driving force. Teachers of CSR and SEM Type 2 keep every step organized and purposeful. And when every heart moves as one, budget is no longer a barrier. It becomes an opportunity to create experiences that are meaningful and unforgettable. This is our strength. When passion and people unite, the impact goes beyond expectations. Results and impact. This CSR and SEM Type 2 program has had a tangible impact on students. In addition to improving PAJSK scores, students have the opportunity to develop a range of soft skills such as effective communication, teamwork, critical thinking, problem solving, and time management. The activities also help them build self-confidence, leadership, and decision-making skills in real-life situations. Each activity is not just a learning experience, but a journey that shapes students into more mature, competitive individuals with a strong sense of social responsibility. Tips. Tip number 1. Start with an early announcement. Ask the Muafakat Form Committee to share the details in the parents group, ideally 2 months before the program. Give everyone time to plan, and those interested can simply add their names. Next, present the budget clearly. Keep it simple, transparent, and easy for everyone to understand. Then, open the door for contributions. Parents, the Muafakat Committee, the community, even the local mosque, everyone can chip in their own way. And finally, the best part, the gotong royong cooking. Parents and the community come together cooking side by side. A relaxed, warm atmosphere filled with teamwork and laughter. Is cost-saving, meaningful, and brings everyone closer. With this approach, the program runs smoothly. The budget stays controlled, and the spirit of togetherness shines through.